I got another box. All my videos are opening boxes, so I'm not going to bother opening it. We're gonna just show you. Toht's hanger. I think that's how you say it. The creepy Nazi dude from Raiders of the Lost Ark. He's got that. He walks in to interrogate what's her face and whips out this thing. It looks like some sort of torture device, and it's just a coat hanger. Just a fancy coat hanger he can fold up and put in his pocket. So let's get it open. Alright, we got to do more magic here. Or not magic, anti-magic. Alright, we got layers of layers. We got to slip this off. And we got to open this. Okay. Got a certificate of authenticity. Limited edition 500 pieces. Very cool. Got a piece of foam. And there it is. Okay. How do I get it out of the plastic? I got some tape here. Torture device. Coat hanger. It's a very small hook. That hook is itty bitty. Come on. Cooperate with me. I guess that just goes like that. Coat hanger. That's not much to hang on, but I guess that would technically work. You know, it's funny that, like, I was instantly like drawn to this. I just thought this was a funny gag in the movie, and I knew what it was as soon as they posted it. I was like, oh, that's a funny prop. I kind of wonder how many people are going to instantly recognize this. You know, I'm a movie prop nerd, like many of the people watching this video, but I kind of wonder if people who are not movie prop nerds are going to be like, why do you got a coat hanger? What's that about? I don't know. I think it's funny. I love it. I dig it. I don't know how I'm going to display this, you know, like, do I display it like a coat hanger, or do I display it like, you know, like a like a weird pile of stuff, you know? And then you demonstrate it, and then maybe people would get it then. Maybe. I'm not sure. It's cool, though. I'm kind of curious. How many people picked this up? It says limited edition of 500. I believe they sold out. It was not that expensive compared to a lot of stuff. Probably pretty easy to manufacture. It's just like a bunch of metal tubes, some metal chains, some rings, and then this is probably the most custom part, this little hooky guy here on the end. Looks like it might have been machined out of a piece of whatever metal that is. I don't know. It's funny and it's clever. I like it. So, yeah. Let me know if you pick one up. This is super fun. I also want to know, like, how you guys are going to display it. Like, I'm genuinely curious, and I am trying to figure this out because it is such a weird thing to display. Are you going to get a whole coat to hang on it? Anyway, possibilities are endless.